Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see SAS similarity, that is side angle side similarity, which is a theorem. In my previous video, we have proved AAA similarity and SSS similarity theorems. So if you haven't watched those, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see SAS similarity theorem. It states if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So here it is saying we have two triangles. So let's consider two triangles ABC and DEF. Alright. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, let's say angle A is equal to angle D and the sides including these angles are proportional. So in triangle ABC, the side including this angle is AB and AC, right? And in triangle DEF, the sides including this angle is DE and DF. The sides including these angles are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Then these two triangles are similar. So first let's write what is given. So given here is a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, right? In which angle A is equal to angle D. It's given, right? And they're saying sides including these angles are proportional. That is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. This is also given. So AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, right? So what we have to prove? We have to prove these two triangles are similar. So to prove is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? Now construction. Now let's take these triangles such that ratio of the sides, that is AB by DE and AC by DF is less than 1. First let me write that in words and then explain you what I mean. Alright. So let us take triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, which is less than 1. So now if you see triangle ABC and triangle DEF, here ABC is smaller than DEF, right? So the ratio of the side of smaller triangle by the side of the bigger triangle is always less than 1. Agreed? For example, if you have side AB is 3 cm and your side DE is 6. That is a bigger triangle, right? So this will give you always less than 1. So we are taking the triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that the ratio of their sides, that is AB by DE equal to AC by DF, is less than 1. I hope this is clear, right? Let me erase this. And also let's cut a point P on DE such that DP is equal to AB, and let's cut point Q on DF such that DQ is equal to AC. Join P and Q. So what did we do? Cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Then join PQ. So now we have AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now let us see the proof, but before that, pause the video and note this down. So now let's see the proof. So we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? So if you prove these two triangles are equiangular, that means their corresponding angles are equal, then we can say these two triangles are similar, right? So now already one corresponding angles are equal, right? So our aim is to make angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Then we can say these two triangles are equiangular and hence they are similar, right? So now let's see how to do this. So first let's take triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Alright, so in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, we know in these two triangles we have seen AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP, and we know AC is equal to DQ. Since by construction, right? And we also know angle A is equal to angle D. That is given, right? That means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS congruence rule, that is side angle side congruence rule. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, right? Since by SAS congruence rule. Alright. So if these two triangles are congruent, that means angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q, right? That is the corresponding angle of the congruence triangle, right? So therefore angle B is equal to angle P and we have angle C is equal to angle Q, right? That is corresponding angle of congruence triangle. Now let's take what is given. So given they have told us AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, right? So let's take that, that is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So this is given. So here AB we can replace it by DP, right? So DP by DE is equal to AC can be replaced with DQ by DF. Since we know AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ by construction, right? So now if you see DP by DE, so DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. So from converse of basic proportionality theorem we know the line PQ is parallel to EF. Agreed? So now we have PQ is parallel to EF, right? Since by converse of basic proportionality theorem. We will continue this, but before that pause the video and note this down. So now we have said line PQ is parallel to EF, right? So if PQ is parallel to EF, that means angle P is equal to angle E. Agreed? That is the corresponding angles. Similarly, angle Q is equal to angle F, right? So angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F, since corresponding angles, right? But we have already said angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q, right? So first let me write that. So we know angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. Since proved above. So if you see in my previous slide, we have proved angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q, right? So now if you see, here we said angle P is equal to angle E and here we have angle P is equal to angle B. So this implies angle B is equal to angle E, right? So therefore angle B is equal to angle E. Similarly, if you see here, angle Q is equal to angle F and here we have angle Q is equal to angle C. So therefore angle C is equal to angle F, right? So now we have angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. And we already know angle A is equal to angle D from given, right? So now we have angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. That is, these two triangles are equiangular. That is, the corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal. So therefore, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. Hence, these two triangles are similar. So we have proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence the proof. So this is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.